Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is November the 25th, 2021. We're going to talk about Terra Luna today. I'm going to give you all a price prediction and a forecast for Terra Luna because I want you all to be prepared for the price move. I want us to be in position to capitalize from the price because once we're in position, we can actually beat everyone else in the market. So join me. Hit that like button, share the video. Also subscribe to the channel. I'm not here to make this confusing. I'm going to simply look at the price, look at the volume, and try to determine where the market is trying to go. And based off that, you guys can see the simplicity from the chart. Now, before I get started, I'm gonna talk about my last price prediction. You guys can see it right here on the chart, right? October the 21st, right here. Let me zoom in on you so you all can see a little bit better as to what we said. We was planning on looking for Terra Luna to go up, right? You guys can see it. We had our restriction price right there into Terra Luna around $46.70. And the market actually came to that particular price level on the 26th of October. So it didn't take long, 5 days. 5 days for us to see the market in Terra Luna go up 10.6%, right? Now you guys can tell since that particular time, the market actually exceeded that restriction point and we saw the market go all the way up there towards $54, right? So it's around 27.43% profitability. Either way, we won. We beat the market at those particular price levels way before the price actually moved. This is how you're able to win and dominate in the cryptocurrency space without the confusion. So I want to say congratulations to you. If you all saw the same thing, if you all predicted the same thing, you did an excellent job. You profited from the price move. So that time is over though. So we need to see where's the next opportunity. Is Terra Luna going to continue to go up or is it going to continue to go down in price? Let's talk about that then. So real quick, you guys can see that the market in Terra Luna actually found some restriction around 48. I'll say it was restricted because back in October, the beginning of October, the market price in Terra Luna could not break above $48. And then it did. November the 4th. And then it held support right there around 48. So this area is very important in terms of what the market is trying to do, whether there's buyers or there's sellers coming to the market in Terra Luna. So going forward, this is going to be our restriction point right here. Okay, $48. So we're going to keep an eye on Terra Luna's price as it approaches $48, because if we see more weakness coming around 48, then we know that price is going to go down from there. Now, let me zoom out because you guys can see that we've been following the market in Terra Luna on this pretty good trend. We was on a very fantastic trend since July. The price in Terra Luna has been going up. Question that I'm going to ask you is, okay, yeah, price been going up, but are we in an upward trend though? Look at what the price has done recently over the last 3 to 4 days. Is the price still bouncing off that ascending line? Because it's so, then yeah, we're still on a trend. But if not, we're not on a trend anymore. If anything, I'm kind of seeing the price in Terra Luna consolidating, trading sideways. And let me show you where that support area is while Terra Luna has been trading sideways. Okay, so I'm seeing about 2 areas. Let me show you where it is. Okay, let me show you the 2 areas that Terra Luna is kind of consolidating. This is one area to where we can see the market bounce off support. $36 and, well, let's just give me 37. We'll say 37. To around 35. This is where the market in Terra Luna is kind of bouncing in between, right? Now, it's not a very visible point to where we can see the market price in Terra Luna come in and grab that line for support. Okay. So it kind of looks as if the market is not really definitive on where the buyers are at for support. So it's kind of hard to determine where that support area is. I can see it around $37.50, $38. But then again, maybe around 35. So I'm going to hold it there around 35 in the market for Terra Luna. Okay, so you guys can see we've addressed where the buyers are at and we also addressed where the sellers are at. So as price in Terra Luna continues to decrease in value, you guys can see that we're trying to prop up the market. This is where buyers are at. As we see price elevate and go up, this is where the sellers are at. So let's look at this market price in Terra Luna on the 2-day, right? So the last 2-day time frame here into the market in Terra Luna right here signifies how weak the market is, right? And we're still showing the weakness here into the market in Terra Luna. I don't want you all to be complacent just because the market currently is up 8% that we're out the woods of this market going down. These last couple of 2-day price bars shows us how weak the market is. Okay, so let's keep that in mind. Let's not become complacent and think that the selling is done just because the market is up 8% right now. Because we got the same thing on this 2-day price bar right here. On November the 19th, yeah, the market strength came in, but immediately the following 2 days after that, price came right back down. And then it did again on the 23rd, starting the 23rd. So yeah, we're starting off pretty good into the market at Terra Luna right now, but we still got a day and 11 hours left before this bar completes. So yeah, right now the buyers are at $38. This is why Terra Luna's price is currently going up. Let's see what's going on in the market in Terra Luna on the 3-day. See that? This is the 3-day time frame here into the market in Terra Luna. A lot of people are thinking that as Terra Luna's price comes down, that is on discount, that is cheaper, right? But a lot of people don't understand that the market hasn't concluded with the movement going down. And I say that because, again, just like I said on the 2-day time frame, look at this 3-day price bar right there. The market should have gone up following that time period, but it didn't. Instead, the price continues to go down. So he is tricking a lot of people into thinking that Terra Luna is cheaper, which it is, but the market is kind of signifying that it's not done with going down just yet. So depending on how long you're trying to be in this market for Terra Luna, if you're going to play this for a swing trade, you're going to scalp the market, then yeah, you can play that. But looking at this from a 3-day, 2-day time perspective, it's where I'm still seeing weakness. And he's not going to trick us. 5-day time frame, right? Take a look. So currently, from a magnitude perspective, I'm not telling you that the price in Terra Luna is extremely weak. I'm not saying that. And I'm not telling you that it is extremely strong. I'm just pretty much seeing nothing here, right? I'm not really seeing a big play coming into the market in Terra Luna as of right now. So literally, can we see price in Terra Luna just simply trade between these two lines on my chart? Yeah, we sure can. And I'm one of the channels that's not going to continue to tell you that the market is always a buy. I'm not the channel that's going to tell you that the market is always continually a sell. There's times to where there's no plays here. And currently, that's what I'm seeing in Terra Luna's market. It's not really a play here. The market is just trading normal, right? There's no volatility really coming into the market in Terra Luna right now. You guys can see we're just kind of bouncing, meandering around, what, $36 to $48. That's about it, right? That's it. So what I'm going to do on this particular video is I'm not going to put on a price prediction. I'm just going to simply wait and let the market continue to trade out and see what it wants to do going out into the beginning of December, right? It is what it is. This is how you're able to maintain that the mind to not be pushed or persuaded into acting a certain way, because this is what the market really wants us to do. They want us to be irrational. They want us to rush. They want us to be antsy and just jump into the market because we see price going up 8.25%. But from my standpoint, I don't rush. I can see what the market is actually trying to do. And when there's no plays here, you just need to kick back and move on to a different market. Now, that's me. You might be totally different, which is cool, which is excellent, and it's all fine. But now is your opportunity then. If that's the case, then, you know, drop me a comment. Let me know, what do you all think about Terra Luna over the next 3 weeks, right? Where will price be? Try this for yourself. Don't talk about no technical indicators. Don't talk about no technical analysis. Don't talk about no new protocols or blockchain or new type of partnership that Terra Luna may have with another blockchain or company. Just simply look at the chart for what it is, price and volume, and tell me where do you all think the market is going to be. All right, that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.